Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, we're going to see how to get followers on BlueSky. Let's get started. So, first impression matters. Choose a unique handle and an engaging profile picture that represents your brand or personality. Also, write a compelling bio with keywords that reflect your interest or expertise. This helps users know what to expect from your content. Then include links to your other platforms if you are cross-promoting your BlueSky profile. Now, consistency is key. To building an audience, aim to post at least once daily to keep your profile active. Experiment with various content formats like text, image, or video posts with visual tend to attract more engagement. Share content that provides value, whether it's educational, entertaining, or thought-provoking. BlueSky supports hashtag, which makes your post discoverable. Use at least 2 to 3 relevant hashtags to reach your target audience. Join trending discussion by using popular hashtags, but make sure your posts are relevant to the conversation. Also, create your own branded hashtag to encourage followers to engage with your content. Now, you also have to actively interact with other users by linking, commenting, and reposting their content. Genuine engagement helps build relationships, participate in discussions, and respond to comments on your post. This shows that you value your audience. Input follow accounts that align with your interests and values. Many users will follow you back if they find your profile interesting. Now, you can also use BlueSky custom feeds to curate your experience and join niche communities. Posting in these feeds increases your visibility to a specific audience. For example, if you are into photography, share your work in a custom feed related to art or visuals. Now you can also collaborate with other creators by sharing each other's posts or hosting joint discussion. You can also promote your BlueSky profile on other social platforms like Instagram, Twitter, TikTok to bring in followers from outside the app. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.